Let me pull this cover. Yeah, this one's heavy.
Weight reduction time.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I'm excited. This is gonna look nice. Ooh, ooh. All right. Tell everybody what we're doing today, please.
So we got a carbon fiber hood, 3-piece front lip, and carbon fiber wing that we're going to be installing on Chris's 370Z today.
So you're gonna do hood pins?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Cool. Let's I guess you're gonna need some help with this, right? I need my hand.
So this is the popper. I have to drill the hole for the hood prop stick.
So you want to explain what you're doing?
Yeah.
See how fast you can shoot off there?
Yeah. So this carbon fiber hood doesn't have any of the provisions for the windshield washer stuff. So what I did was I removed one of the nozzles, and I'll remove this one so I can show you. And it clips in the factory hood with these square cut holes. So what I did was I cut the legs off and then used a belt sander to sand it flat. That way I can mount them to this new hood. The hood does have the spots for it to get mounted, so it's flat. But again, it doesn't have the square cut holes for these legs to lock into. So I'll be mounting them to the carbon fiber hood now that the bottom of this one is flat in comparison. And so it's got a flat mounting surface that I could, either glue or mount somehow. Once I get there, figure that out. And that way we can have functional washer sprayers on the windshield. Using some flush cut snippers.
Is that their name?
Well, just trying to be a little politically correct, I guess. I don't know what you want.
What do you call them usually?
Dykes.
Oh, that's right. That's their name.
Yeah, I guess, but it's 2022. You gotta be politically correct, I guess. Or politically soft. But yeah, so I cut them off as flush as I could, and then I'll belt sand the bottom to make it completely flat. Yeah, it's nice and flat. About as flat as it's gonna get.
So what did you decide to go with?
We'll try this 3M double sticky tape, and we'll see how that holds them up. Make sure the surface is clean and no grease or oil on it. Sticky, all right.
You're gonna need new tape.
Yeah.
Huh?
I put it in the wrong spot. You can see it's got two flat spots, one here and one there.
So where do you have to put it?
Right there. At least to know that it's hard to get off.
At least you know it's sticky. The only thing that I get concerned with is in the heat, will it melt and become less... I mean, this is like heavy duty fucking tape, but...
Yeah, we'll see. Gotta try something.
How was it on there before? There were notches in the hood?
Yeah, it clipped in. But this hood doesn't have the square cut holes.
Oh, who needs windshield fluid, right?
Race cars. I need it.
Time for a zip tie. Oh yeah, one of those clips. So you're gonna do hood pins now? They're over here. What the heck? Junk is on me.
Just might be 2 kits. This one.
So you drilled these holes here?
Yeah. Now I'm just drilling holes to get everything to go through the hood. Doesn't gonna
Ooh,
barely reach.
this really looks good. This is the first time I've seen it down. Fit's actually pretty nice. Do you need longer pens maybe?
It'll reach. It's just gonna make a pain in the ass for install because I can't adjust them to just go and skyrocket through the hood.
Yeah, so what about that? What are you gonna do there? God, that's so scary.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry, we're professionals. Well, let's hope he is, at least.
Never done this before. Take that side of the hood, just push it all the way down. So the trick to these is to make the hole just big enough for you to get the threads in. If you look, the diameter right here is smaller. So once you get the threads in, they actually give you a little bit of wiggle room for error. So get it in there, and you see I could take it and spin it around. So if it doesn't line up perfectly, you know, it's a little bit of room for error to spin it around a little bit. But yeah, just big enough for you to get the threads through. Make it too big, and then when you go to lock it down, it's not grabbing enough of the carbon fiber, and then you can just yank it through the hood. All right.
That was the most nerve-wracking. That was nerve-wracking.
It always is.